Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to create shareable fillable forms in Canva. But for this video, I will focus on a simple way to create forms, and I will use Canva only, and I will not use any app to integrate it with Canva. So here I am in my Canva dashboard, and then we are in the template section. So we can just search for forms right here, and you will have different kinds of forms that you can use in Canva. So for example, I want to choose this registration form right here, and I will customize this template. So you can do and customize your own forms right here. So for example, you don't want the other sections right here. So for example, I don't want this, so I can just delete it. And then for the text box, if you don't know how to add it, for example, I will add another text box right here, and then just go to elements, and then just find shapes, and then we can just click on the square shape right here, drag and drop it into Canva, and then we already have our shape automatically added to the website. And I will just zoom in and then adjust the size of our form like that. I'll just align it again and then like that. If you want to change some other things, for example, for this one, you can choose another font if you want. You can choose if you want to make it bold and have an underline. And then for the other one, you can customize the background if you want as well. For example, you have a white background. If you want to have a gray background, you can do so like that. And it just depends on your preference, but we'll stick with the white background. And once you're done, you can just click on share, and then you can pass an email to someone else, or you can give anyone access with the link, and then you can choose if you want to view, comment, and edit, but we will choose the edit, the can edit, if we will be sharing this form. So what you can do is copy the link, and then for example, you will send it to someone. Once they open it, for example, I will paste this and go here, they'll be automatically be redirected to this page, and then they can just double click on the squares right here and then insert their names, for example. Like that, and then they will just insert the form, and then you don't have to do anything, since when you open the file again in Canva, it already has been filled up. And then if you want to make multiple forms like this one, for example, I just have the same link for my forms right here, and it automatically reflected on both of the links. So for example, you want to send this to multiple people, what you can do is go back to your home page, go to projects, and then here is our registration form. And then what you can do is, first I will delete the elements inside of our box, and I will save this, and then I will just rename this. For example, this is my form 1, and then what we can do is we will duplicate this. So we'll make a copy of this one, and then we can just make this into form 2. And then for example, we want form 1 to be sent to the first person, and then the form 2 will send it to the second person, so that they won't overwrite the data inside of the registration form. And then when we open the form 2, we just have the same form, and then you can again share it to anyone. So you can share it using an email, or you can share using the collaboration link. anyone with the link can edit. So if you send this to someone, so if they don't have Canva, I prefer using the collaboration link so that they can access it right away. So you can just choose anyone with the link can edit, so they will be able to edit your form. And then that is it. So, but if you want to download and print this form, you can just click on download and then just click on PDF print or PDF standard. That's just the same, and then download this. And then you have our form here, and then you can just print this if you want the form to be handwritten. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to create shareable fillable forms, and thank you for watching.